All right, so in this video, we're going to show you how to use the Innovatools Two-Way Cutter on your VanMark Brake. Super simple. We'll show you how the plunger and the locking mechanism at the back works. So you'll notice as soon as you let go, as soon as you pivot down, the magnets let go of the plunger, which allows you to lock the red body in place to go in the direction that you want. So we'll show you exactly how to do that. So super simple. You got the red pulleys on the top of the cutter here that simply insert over the top of the anvil extension. Pull out the material to your measurement. Make sure the brake is locked in place and that the hinge is retracted. And then you can pivot down and lock the body in place. So as you'll notice, when it's up, the body is free floating. As soon as the magnets let go, it allows me to lock the body in place. So make sure you're locked in before you engage into your cut. And then you push through and make your cut. When you're ready to come back, simply pull the material out to the measurement that you want. Again, pivot down, make sure the body is locked, and then engage in your cut. If you had a long piece, you might have to support it. Otherwise, you just push right through and that's it. If you have any questions, give us a call, but it's as simple as that.